Hello everyone, myself Arvindar from SVC Bengaluru. Today we are going to discuss about the instruction along with Keel Microvision. Introduction to instruction along with Keel Microvision. Instruction is a fundamental concept in computer programming. Keel Microvision is a popular integrated development environment generally called as IDE for embedded systems. Instruction along with Keel Microvision allows developers to write and debug code for microcontrollers. Understanding instructions. Instructions are the basic building blocks of the program and tell the computer what actions to perform. Instructions can be simply as adding two numbers or as complex as controlling external devices. Understanding instructions is crucial for writing efficient and effective code. Features of Keel Microvision. Keel Microvision provides a user-friendly interface for writing and editing code. It offers a powerful debugger to identify errors and optimize program performance. Keel Microvision supports various microcontroller architectures, making it versatile for different projects. Here we can see the example. Writing instructions with Keel Microvision. Keel Microvision provides a high-level language such as C or C++ to write instructions. Developers can use Keel Microvision's editor to write, modify, and recognize their code. The IDE offers features like syntax highlighting and code completing to enhance productivity. Compiling and debugging instructions. Keel Microvision has a built-in compiler that translates the written instructions into machine code. The IDE checks for syntax errors and provides error message for debugging. Developers can use breakpoints, watch variables, and step through code to identify and fix issues. Simulating instructions. Keel Microvision includes a simulator that allows developers to test their code without physical hardware. The simulator emulates the behavior of the microcontroller, enabling developers to verify the correctness of their instructions. Simulating instructions helps in identifying logical errors and refining the code before deployment. Integrating instructions with hardware. Here Microvision supports various hardware debugging tools such as JTAG and SWD for real-time debugging. Developers can connect the microcontroller board to IDE and interact with the hardware during instruction execution. This integration allows developers to debug and fine-tune instructions specified to target hardware. Here we can see the diagram of how they are connecting this. Optimizing instructions for performance. Keel Microvision provides performance analysis tools to optimize instructions. Developers can profile their code to identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. By optimizing instructions, developers can enhance the overall performance of their embedded systems. Collaborating and sharing instructions. Keel Microvision allows developers to collaborate on projects, enabling multiple team members to work on the same code base simultaneously. Code versioning tools like Git can be integrated with Keel Microvision for efficient code sharing and version control. Collaborating and sharing instructions facilitates teamwork and enhances productivity. Conclusion. Instructions along with Keel Microvision is a powerful combination for developing code for microcontrollers. Understanding instructions, writing code, debugging, simulating, integrating with hardware, optimizing, and collaborating are essential steps in the process. Utilizing Keel Microvision's features empowers developers to create efficient and reliable embedded system. Thank you guys.